Hi friends, I'm Chef Z, your zebra buddy. Let's go on a tasty trip to learn where food comes from and all the colors we can eat. Yum! From the farm the food is picked, fresh and fast it's moving quick. To the store it rides along, then to home where it belongs. Into the kitchen, pots and pans, time to cook with our own hands. Now let's find colors bright and new, fruits and veggies just for you. Colors, colors, come and see, what color will our next food be? Yummy, tasty, good to eat, colorful food is such a treat. Green like lettuce in a bowl, broccoli trees make you feel whole. Kiwi, pears, and apples too, green onion salad, good for you. Bell peppers shining in the light. Green is tasty, green is right. Hummus, tacos, nachos cheer, Panera bread and mango near. Yellow's bold and full of flair, let's find more, it's everywhere. Pineapple, sweet lemon zing, bananas dance and cheese can sing. Butter, bell peppers, golden glow, yellow foods help you grow. Tomatoes, radishes and cherries, red apples, sweet as little berries. Red onions, peppers, juicy peach. Watermelon, a tasty treat. Apple pie and pizza too, fruit salad, soup so red and true. Red juice sips and lettuce bite, red foods make your smile bright. Grapes and plums in a row, eggplant makes your dinner glow. Radishes and onions too, purple power just for you. PB&J, oh what a snack, can you find more purple? Bring it back. Think of berries, jam and more, purple foods we all adore. Carrots crunch and mango sweet, cantaloupe is fun to eat. Orange papaya, color bright, shining like the morning light. Squash soup warm in a cup, orange helps to cheer you up. Dragon fruit with dots and dots, coconuts from sunny spots. Garlic strong and onions white, let's eat healthy, bite by bite. Rice and bread and coconut milk, white like clouds and smooth like silk. So eat the rainbow every day, healthy, strong, hooray, hooray. See you next time, friends. Keep eating those colors. Chef Z says, yum.
Be sure to subscribe to our page. Until next time, friends.
Yum.